I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back here with a new hair video. And right now I have pipe cleaner curls. I believe they've been in for about a week now. So I'm gonna give you guys a better look. They're falling to my waist. And if you follow me on Instagram, then you've read me complaining about how I hate the process of pipe cleaner curls. This is probably going to be my last time doing pipe cleaners because it took me 3 hours to put them in and about 2 hours to take them out. My hair is too long for them now. It's just time for me to hang it up. But they came out very beautifully. For those of you who are interested in a pipe cleaner curl tutorial, I'll have them linked above. I believe I have at least one or two, so I'll put them in the card, so make sure you check that out after the video, okay? So I want to change this look up a bit. So as you can see, although they're curled, they're still pretty long. Okay, they're still pretty long. They're about waist length. But what I really want to play around with right now is volume. So I want them to be more voluminous, and I am going to do that by creating petals. I haven't done petals since my locks were blonde. Okay, you guys remember my locks were blonde my senior, like the end of my senior year of college, and up until my following birthday in 2014. Then I went red, and I've been red for years after that. And then anyway, so I'm gonna try petals again. So basically what I'm gonna do, very simply put, I'm going to use rubber bands, black ones of course, so it blends in with my hair. I'm going to grab one rubber band. I'm going to grab a few locks at a time. I'm probably going to do a chunk of locks like this. So this is 4 locks, this is 5 locks, right? So what I'm going to do is grab the ends and loop them up to my root. And then I'm going to rubber band it at the root. And I'm only going to rubber band it around twice so that it's easy to take out when it's time for me to take it out. Okay? And I'm not too concerned about if there's any loose locks on the bottom, like, or at the top. I'll fix that at the very end if need be. But I'm pretty sure it's gonna blend in pretty well with the rest of my locks when I'm done. So that was really simple, you guys. You saw that? So I am hoping that I will get a good amount of volume in doing this. So I'll be back. So here is the final product. I feel like whenever my hair looks short like this, I just look so mature. It makes me look so mature. Well, it's very beautiful. Oh, let me show you guys the back. Yeah. So you see I did like a side part situation. So it's like flipping this way. Yes, ma'am. Super easy. You guys saw how it is. You're just making petals. A lot of times people do petals one by one. You can do that if you want to. But you don't have to. I think you get a really good full look by doing it in groups instead. If you're doing petals on straight locks, then maybe it would look better one at a time. I don't know. Or one per petal, I mean. I don't know. But I just know that with my locks being curly, one per petal is unnecessary. So I was able to finish this in 20 minutes. And I'm going to keep it in for a couple days. Yeah. Let me know your thoughts down below. Love, light, and locks. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe. You can always visit www.keishacharmaine.com for hair growth products, hair accessories, and more. But don't leave just yet. Check out my featured video and my latest video.